Hello guys, can you guys hear me again? Sorry for the whole technical issue the last time, our last trade. So hopefully you guys can hear me clearly now and we can focus on if you misbehave again. Okay, yeah, he's misbehaving again. So yeah, well, as obviously when we talked in our last live stream, which is still pissing me off till now that we had to end that live stream just because we should we oh goodness, I'm even stuttering. I'm a different level of pissed off right now. Really pissed off. So Euro, where are you? So we're done with all the Euro, picking up all the Euros. If I'm to be honest with you, I'm not a fan of European and United States dollar, Euro and USD currency pairs because they are the ones that are usually giving me headache. Honestly speaking, it's just my honest opinion without any. So let's focus on the trend. Bearish, bearish. This is a beautiful another bearish. These two beautiful bearish. Bullish but bearish kind of. Then bearish. Okay, so now so what we're going to do. Obviously, we'll have to raise the stakes a little. But let's move these two first to first class tickets because they're the only ones with first class movement. Let's move them to first class tickets because they're the only one with first class movement. Oh, you guys got to feel my lines. Feel the lines. Feel the lines. So Euro AED for 5 minute time frame. For the 5 minute time frame is number one. Euro SND for the 5 minute time frame is number two for bearish. Euro JPY is not even supposed to be number eight because it's bullish. Let's move this one up. I think GPP was better than JPY. Yes, bearish, but consolidating a little. That consolidation is bothering me. Euro USD is not consolidating, it's more like go trending bearish. But before the thing will hit this side, let's move this one up. JPY is the least because they are bullish. Okay. You know where the problem is? This thing is looking like a change of structure. The last time I was on this pair, which was not quite long ago, it was giving us a signal for bullish, and it's not too long. Was it not yesterday? No, yesterday one was JPY. I know the last time I was on Euro, it was giving us. Oh my neck! The last time I was on Euro, it was giving us some sort of um, what do I call this thing again? It was giving us some sort of bullish signal. Now all of a sudden, coming today, it is no more going to be a bullish signal. It's now a bearish signal. So if the market, what we're facing, looking at right now is change of structures everywhere. So if we even go to a higher time frame, it's possible that we're going to end up with some sort of dilemma. Let's put it like that. Some sort of dilemma. We're going to end up with some sort of dilemma. What in the world? Wait, are you guys actually hearing me? Yo, what's really going on today for our analysis now? Why is our analysis going haywire? What's going on now? What's going on? Can you guys hear me at all? I didn't even bother to do our normal check. We did the normal check. And when we did the normal check, because back then, when when you guys when we're in part one was not too long ago in case you guys don't know. But it was the scenario we found ourselves. So oh goodness, I this scenario. So yeah, what are we looking for now? Euro GBP is there. Oh my goodness, everything looks so dull and down. Okay, Euro GBP. So yeah, we're saying we want to move to higher time frames. That this for 5 minutes time frame, this is how we're seeing ourselves. and that it was once in a bullish signal. So, oh my goodness, Euro AUD, such a beautiful 5 minutes bearish signal. Oh my goodness, I feel like we missed it just because we were busy doing what? Get out. Sorry if I was harsh. I was talking about that. The market opened here. So not much has actually happened. Thank goodness we're not late. So let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Shrink, 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 shrink. So yes, Euro AUD on 5 minutes is bearish. Let's go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Oh my goodness. Euro AUD. It was bullish for how long? But now it's bearish because it has broken the previous spike. Okay. Now 30 minutes. It is it came up, came down, became bearish, came up, broke down from bearish to bullish, came down. Could it break this one? It broke it by a week. Yeah, it broke it by a week. Yeah, so we're not actually really late. So let's go back to 5 minutes and put a horizontal line there. Losing up. Okay, yes, that's losing up. Wait, let me loosen this thing up more. Okay, draw a horizontal line there. Now let's go to obviously Euro NZ. Yes. Wait, on the 3 days community, what did NZ do? Oh, go back, clear, low, and holidays. What did NZ do? Where's NZ? NZ, where are you? I'll sue you to court. NZ did not show on this one, showed on low. I just remembered. So apply. NZ, where are you? Where? Sorry, I'm not singing. I thought I saw NZ that time. Wait, is NZ actually on the low? NZD, 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 NZD. Oh goodness. NZD, okay, yes. NZD is very late. No, shift it. I ain't doing that. Let's focus on. So, okay, yeah. Sorry, I hope I reacted. I was just a little cranky. Beautiful bearish. Wow. I like the way this is going. Let's go to 5 minutes. But it was doing as if it was consolidating. So, meaning if I place a trade, it's going to take a while. 45 minutes time frame. It was bullish, then it turned bearish. Change of structure. Almost all of them are showing change of structure. Beautiful bullish. It did not break this peak. Bam. That's the problem. So this is going to be our problem. This peak is going to be our break. Then this peak is going to be our take profit if it breaks. Let's not be too greedy. Wait, this is how 1:1 ratio, and with how many pips? 1:3 ratio with how many pips? Okay, this is 500 and something pips. So no. So it's we're actually online because I was like, how many pips is this? You know, this is the reason why this very thing you're seeing now is the reason why I don't usually delete this thing. I usually lock them because whenever I want to make reference to something. So yeah, like to make reference to our own trades, to make trades. I don't know if you guys understand. I feel like I'm just gibberish talking to myself. I feel like I'm kind of insane because I'm just talking to myself right now on the live. But yeah, so yeah, exchange of structure bearish. 30 minutes. Let's see 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. Oh my goodness. 1 hour is bullish. This is a big problem. Very big problem. A very big problem. Euro NZD is bullish. It's supposed to be bearish. It's supposed to be bearish. Oh my goodness. No. What do I do? Let me add this peak here. In case you guys are not seeing it. I'm adding the peak as something I can make reference to. Meanwhile, the second peak is what we're going to use our TP. Just want to add it so that when we are approaching it, we will be alarmed. We will be alarmed when we're approaching it. Euro NZD. So Euro NZD, Euro NZD, Euro NZD, Euro NZD, Euro NZD, Euro NZD. I think this is going to be demoted because it's bullish. The trend is bullish. If that it was even consolidating, it's better than the trend is bullish on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what others have to offer first. Let's go to GB. We're just going to keep it there. Let's check GBP. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. What do we do for you? Can I get some on the 1 hour time frame? It's always saying bullish, bullish. I think we should just concentrate on our time frame that we are giving. That's what for me. Oh. Now the 15 minutes is bearish. 30 minutes is bearish. We're really getting taking a degenerate trade because on the 1 hour it's not bearish, it's bullish. And if it is bullish, then we're bullish people. Yeah, bullish people. Oh goodness. But it's change of structure. The change of structure is evident, but at the same time, it could be nothing but a retracement. This is going to be hard. Wait, some of them are already breaking some zones. This is what I call a beautiful zone right here. I don't know why we are still taking too long to execute it. Let's turn this to. Oh goodness, no. Let's. I'm trying. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm just trying to know. Oh goodness, can you please disappear? Oh, and our trigger is about to be hit. Okay, let's try it again. Uh-huh. Yep. Oh. Okay. So this is a strong zone. So yeah, let's use this one. Reset, shrink. This for the 1 hour. I think we might stop. But change of structure, obviously. Now let's mark out the obvious zones, take profit zones, and we use them as stepping stones. Are you feeling the lines? I'm on fire today. Take profit zones because we're using them as stepping stones. See lines. So draw horizontal line, draw horizontal line, draw another horizontal line. another horizontal line. I'm not even sure it will get all the way down here. I feel like we should put a line between this big gap here. So which peak will we use? Let's use this peak. Which other peak? Let's use this peak too. So at least there should be enough space for everything to fall in place in order. The perfect area. I'm coming, let me go. Because despite everything, I'm not even sure if this, this Euro USD, right? Okay, Euro USD. And because I know there are some things that I'm not supposed to be here. Let me delete them all. Watch me sprint. Yes, 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 yes. Delete. What? What? Uh-huh. So Euro USD, let's focus on the analysis. I feel like so many of our entries have just been violated while we are here trying to find analysis. This is bearish. Beautiful. For 5 minutes, bearish. 15 minutes, change of structure. It broke this place. 15 minutes. Excuse me. 30 minutes, change of structure. Change of structure. So Euro USD change of structure. 1 hour. 1 hour is what? 1 hour is bullish. It's not even good enough for change of structure. It's just bullish. But in a way, it's change of structure because head left, left head, right shoulder, shoulder one head. You guys will know what I'm talking about. I don't need to be speaking too much English. But yeah, this place is left head, right shoulder. Whatever, those your normal candle patterns for change of structure. That is what is here. I don't have kind of time to come and be explaining too much long talk. If you guys don't know now for JPY, it's just purely bullish. And trust me, I feel like I should just focus on the bullish. If you ask me, I feel like we should focus on the bullish because it's the only bullish trade. I might demote one of these two. I think this is the one I will demote. This one I feel like demoting. Okay, this is how far it is. Let's check GBP. GBP is already on the line, trying to break it out. I will demote this and put JPY. Let's see what JPY has to offer for bullish first. Let us not just jump into conclusion. Okay. JPY shrink. Okay, bullish. Let's go to 15 minutes. Bullish. One broke. It broke this peak, right? I'm not even sure. Okay, yes, it broke it. 30 minutes. So yeah. So um JPY is what? JPY, JPY. Bullish. 30 minutes. 1 hour. I said if I just see bullish all the way to 1 month, bullish 1 hour, 4 hours. We've not gone to 4 hours before. Let's say bullish. Okay, the 1 day. Bullish. Oh my goodness, this is giving me goosebumps. Literal goosebumps. 1 week. 1 week. Let's go. Let's go. Bullish. Finish the thing. Okay, the market end here. The height that Euro JPY has never been in play before. So it's just bullish, bullish, bullish. At some point, it's not even low there. Euro against JPY was actually low before it came back. 1 month. This dinosaur It's like indicating prehistoric era where there's no way to look back. It's like history. You guys should know this thing already. So 1 month. I don't know why we need 1 month, but I felt like we need 1 month. So it's just purely on a this isn't a bullish trend, pure bullish trend, all the way to the very first time when man landed on the moon. So if we're going to it's what demotive someone. So we'll put JPY on some sort of but it's retracing a little and the retracement is kind of scary. That's my problem. So see how I used to read 8 o'clock signal. There is the fake out. I always know that the market will go in the wrong direction first. That's how me I used to read market. It goes in the wrong direction first before it goes in the right direction. You think I'm joking? Let's check it out. When the markets open, first, which is possibly somebody take profit, then still went in the right direction, which is also another take profit. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just dumb right now. I feel so dumb. So, um, yikes. There's this question I keep asking myself. If I am sent back in time, wait, let's first of all put our this in an alarm first. Put our alarm first and set everything before we start talking about if we're back in time. Before I start talking about if we're back, let me put alert first. Possible sell, possible sell. Let us now be talking and somebody's entry will be passing by. Euro GBP. I don't know. Do we need to put JPY? JPY is still fast, so no need. So I'm putting alert here. Oh goodness. We're putting alert here. So possible sell, possible sell. Then Euro NZD, Euro NZD. Wait, NZD was bearish now. So I clicked the alert. That is why Euro NZD was where I wanted to put our alert. So yeah, it was where I wanted to put our alert. So yeah, do you know that I actually hate Euro and United States currency because they don't like to go someone's way. They just like to play around most of the time. Possible sell. So what was I thinking? What was I saying? Yes, I was talking about if you are dropped in any single time in history, where would it be? And where will you profit the most as a trader? So I decided I want to figure it out. So that whenever I'm dropped in time, I just know what trade to place by that time. On the 1 month. Let's see the longest. I'm looking for like the longest like trend or I don't know if you understand me. Why in the world is this misbehaving now? Euro AED. It is not even showing anything. Why? Why are you not showing anything? This is not a trend. Okay, 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 yes. So this is not a trend. Definitely not picking this. Euro AED is not for me. Euro GBP. Now asking about uh 74,000 pips. I'll be risking about 74,000 pips. ratio. 12,000. What is that? 12,000. What is that? Where is it? Where is it? Oh goodness. There's no way that this thing just disappeared. Oh, why? Can somebody describe in simple logic where it is? Well, we've seen that CHF JPY would have given us 12,000 people risk to 107. Okay, 108,000 pips. 108,000 pips. Some pips to 108,000. Wait, let's check something. Let me know if I can adjust it to the T. Let's see what happened. Profit level 108. Let's put it 108 to 3. And take profit 12,000. Reason, right? For reason, right? For CHF, no, for forex now. If we use forex and we run down the $20 set out capital for the trade, we might switch from FX to crypto. Low key, we might switch from FX to crypto. But I feel like the strategy I'm working with easily works with forex. But we might, because how do we find crypto trends? Will we just use that? If we can compare, when you know your trade is definitely going to play out, you know how? When all the trends are working in your favor and all the entries are working in your favor, but we barely see that on the market. So that's why sometimes we squeeze out trades that are not does not exist. But say not the CHF JPY, what in the world? CHF JPY would have been a beautiful. There's something I want to do. I don't know. Um, stop color. We change the stop color to what? The stop color. What do we do? I want to keep it here as a memo. So whenever, even if it comes my or we're trading on it any day, we'll just remember, oh wait, CHF JPY, yes. So obviously stop color can be like yellow, which is while the target color should be like blue. I hope this does not affect every other. Oh goodness. Stop color back to red, please. Then target color should be back to green. Hope I got it right. Oh goodness. I hope this was the right green. I think I might have broken my entry, so I feel like the green was darker. Can you leave? I've broken my entries. Okay, let me do what? Let me know what. Undo, 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 undo. Now let's back and check what was the. It was not this green, it was this green. Okay. Why this was the bright red? Okay. Because I was wondering, the green does not look normal like the normal. Oh, yeah, redo. Then now let's try it again. Let me put it back and see what it does. Now let's edit it back to the normal. Stop color is red. Then the target color, this green. Because it's now looking okay in my eye. So delete. Alright. Now let's try it again. Let's see if it will show this blue and yellow. Beautiful. We've gotten our. So now let's go to CHF. Oh goodness. Unlock it first so we can shrink it back. Unlock it. Hope this did not reset our this thing. No, it didn't. So let's go to AEDJPY. So GBP what does GBP say? Sorry, 2005. May, is it May? Sorry, 2005. May, is it May? Oh goodness. May, yes, yes. On my birth month, yes. So GBP AEDJPY, no trend. GBP no trend. GBP no trend. AED no trend. GBP load. So far, it's just CHF I thought CAD would do a better job, Canadian dollar, because I feel like they're the ones that usually trend for a long time. Left to me, oh, I feel like CAD is the one that usually trends for a long time. And then the USD, no trend. USD, CHF, another CHF. Maybe it might be a trend though. Another CHF, but it's bearish trend. A crashing trend, but it's good enough. Which one is good enough? What do you mean by good enough? What's in the world? This thing did not even have a risk. And I thought card was the one that had like the most possible. I was more confident to card. I'll be like, wait a minute. From okay, it just had a little retracement that month. After that retracement, nothing else. What in the world? So it just crashed all the way to it just crashed all the way to oh goodness. Uh-huh. Then the take profit will be like somewhere here. This is very tight, but it might work. It's very tight, but it might work. What in the world? Why is it not picking the thread? Wait, what happened? Did I break the market? I feel like I've broken the market. I feel like I've actually broken the market. Or is it network? One is to 29.31. Wait, I feel like the markets have been broken. I feel like I've broken the market, so yes, I'm releasing it. Oh, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Wait, Control Y. It did something. Control Z. It did not. I don't think it picked the trade. It did not pick the trade in any of these things. It's in the next candle. It picked the trade. No wonder. I was like, what's going on? So one is to what? Clear. One is to 19.24. One is to 19.24. Flipping goodness. 19.24. Okay. And this started from when? June to when? To August 2000 and what? 2011. August 2011. August 2011. June 2002. So if June 2002. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is my wait oh. If we actually wait. Wait oh. If we actually wait. If we actually take the trade here, where it's supposed to be, which is not, else you can change this from this to like 50. That's what it does at 50. Jeez. Jeez. Now let's see. Let's see. This then in order not to break the market, then in order not to break the market, wait, we'll lock it first. And in order not to break the market, we'll correct. Okay, it still remained like that. USD CHF. So at USD CHF. So I think I found my new favorite. I don't think we need to check any other thing. So yeah, the we've done our analysis already, and all we're waiting for is the